What's up guys, welcome back to MTW Supercar. Today we're diving into one of the most iconic trucks in the world, a name that has dominated the American roads and work sites for decades. If you guessed the Ford F-150, you're right, but not just any version. This is the brand new 2025 Ford F-150, and let me tell you, it's built tougher, smarter, and more advanced than ever before. If you're thinking about buying a new truck next year, stick around because this one could easily be at the top of your list. Now the hook here is simple. Everyone knows the Ford F-150 has been the best-selling truck in America for more than 40 years straight, but the 2025 model proves Ford isn't just resting on its legacy. They've reimagined the truck for modern drivers, balancing hardcore strength with high-tech convenience. This means whether you're towing a boat, hauling lumber, or just cruising downtown, this truck adapts perfectly to your lifestyle. Let's talk design first, because the 2025 F-150 definitely makes a bold impression. Ford refined the exterior to give it a more muscular and aerodynamic stance. The signature C-clamp LED headlights are sharper, the grille options are bigger and bolder, and depending on the trim you choose, the truck can look rugged and ready for off-road action or clean and luxurious for city driving. Ford is offering multiple trim levels, so whether you want the no-nonsense work truck feel of the XL or the premium comfort of the Platinum, there's something here for you. Inside, Ford has really stepped up the game. The cabin feels like a mix of rugged durability and modern technology. In higher trims, you'll find premium leather seating, an available panoramic sunroof, and even massaging front seats. The centerpiece is the massive 12-inch touchscreen running Ford's Sync 4 system, compatible with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Drivers also get a fully digital gauge cluster that's crisp and customizable. And let's not forget the work surface console, which can transform into a flat table for your laptop or paperwork, making it the perfect mobile office. Now let's talk about what matters most to truck buyers: power. The 2025 Ford F-150 continues to offer a wide range of engines to fit different needs. You've got the standard 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6 that's fuel-efficient but still strong, the 5.0-liter V8 for those who love raw power, and the 3.5-liter PowerBoost hybrid that combines muscle with efficiency. This hybrid setup is a big win for drivers who want towing capacity and fuel savings in one package. And yes, Ford is still offering the high-output engine for the Raptor, giving adrenaline seekers exactly what they want. Speaking of towing, the F-150 remains a king in its class. Properly equipped, this truck can tow over 14,000 pounds and has a payload capacity of more than 3,000 pounds. That means whether it's work equipment, a camper, or a heavy trailer, the F-150 handles it like a champ. Ford also continues to offer Pro Trailer Backup Assist, which makes maneuvering with a trailer way easier, even for beginners. On the tech side, the 2025 F-150 doesn't disappoint. Blue Cruise, Ford's hands-free driving system, is available on select trims, allowing drivers to go hands-free on thousands of miles of highways across the country. There's also over-the-air software updates, wireless charging, multiple power outlets, and the Pro Power onboard generator system. That's right, your truck can literally power tools, appliances, or even your campsite, turning the F-150 into a rolling power station. Now, I know what you're waiting for. How much does the 2025 Ford F-150 cost? Pricing starts around $38,000 for the base XL trim, but depending on the configuration, engine choice, and luxury features, it can climb quickly. A well-equipped Lariat will run you into the mid-$50,000 range, while the luxurious Platinum or limited trims can push past $75,000. And of course, if you're eyeing the Raptor, expect it to land in the $80,000+ zone. Still, when you consider the versatility, tech, and legendary toughness, it's no surprise the F-150 continues to be worth every penny for so many buyers. So, who is this truck for? Honestly, it's for just about everyone. Contractors, families, off-road adventurers, and even commuters who want comfort and capability all in one package. Ford knows their audience, and the 2025 F-150 proves they're not letting up in the race to stay America's favorite truck. If you're new here and enjoy getting the latest on cars, trucks, and supercars from around the world, make sure to hit that subscribe button to MTW Supercar. We've got plenty more exciting reviews, breakdowns, and updates coming your way. That's it for today's video on the 2025 Ford F-150. Tougher, Smarter, and more advanced than ever, this truck isn't just keeping up with the competition, it's setting the standard. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.